Part 5 Simplify Exponent. Welcome to Home of Math. This video we are again going to solve some exponential equation. Let's start. Question 17 and today's first question. 4 to the power x equals to 8. This is very simple. So first this one we can write 2 square to the power x equals to 8. We can write 2 to the power 3. Why we are write like this? Because we have to find on similar base. So 2 square means 4 and 2 cube means 8. We know a to the power m to the power n, it means a to the power mn. Therefore we can write 2 to the power 2x and equals to 2 to the power 3. Now look, here base are same, so we can write 2x equals to 3. How? We know a to the power m equals to a to the power n, it means m equals to n. Why? Because once base are same, that time power will be equal. Now we can divide both side by 2, so we can write x equals to 3 by 2. This is our answer. 17 done. 18. 2 to the power 2x plus 1 equals to 128. So here we will also make similar base. So 2 to the power 2x plus 1, and this 128 we can write 2 to the power 7. Let's how we can make this one 2 to the power 7. 128 we can divide by 2, so here is 64. Again divide by 2, here is 32. Divide by 2, here is 16. Divide by 2, 8. Divide by 2, 4, and finally divide by 2, it will become 2. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So 2 to the power 7 means 128. Now look, here base are same, so 2x plus 1 equals to 7. A side note, we can write a to the power m equals to a to the power n, it means m equals to n. Now 2x plus 1 minus 1 equals to 7 minus 1. We are subtract both side by 1. So 2x equals to 7 minus 1 is a 6. Now we can divide both side by 2. So 2x divide 2 equals to 6 by 2. We can write divide both side by 2. Okay, and here is also we can write subtract both side by 1. Okay, now this 2 divide 2 is a 1, so x equals to 6 divide 2 is a 3. So our answer is 3. Very simple. So number 17 and 18. Number 19, it's very important. Root 3 to the power x plus 1, cubic root of 3 to the power 2x minus 1. So first we have to make similar base. This root 3 we can write 3 to the power 1 by 2 times x plus 1, and this one we can write 3 to the power 1 by 3 times 2x minus 1. How? Nth root of a, it means a to the power 1 by n, right? Now look, similar base 3 and 3, so we can write 1 divide 2x plus 1 equals to 1 divide 3 2x minus 1. Okay, we can write a side note. We know, but every time we can write because new math, new subnote. A to the power n, a to the power n, so m equals to n. Now we can cross multiply. So 3 times x plus 1 and 2 times 2x minus 1. Or better, we can write like this, 2 times 2x minus 1, and here is 3 times x plus 1. How? Because once we multiply 2 by 2, 2 and 2, it will become, here is 4x minus 2. And here is 3x plus 3. 4x is larger than 3x, that's why I am writing in left side. So 4x, 3x become minus 3x equals to 3, and this minus 2 become plus 2. We just exchange. So 4x minus 3x, it will be x, and 3 plus 2 is a 5, and this is our answer. Have any question? Please write a line in the comments box. So number 19 done. Now our last question answer, it will be number 20. We can write in here, which is 2 to the power x plus 2 to the power 1 minus x equals to 3. So here is 2 to the power x plus this one, we can write 2 to the power 1 times 2 to the power minus x, right, equals to 3. Or this one more simplify, like 2 to the power x plus 2 divide 2 to the power x equals to 3, because as a negative exponent we know a to the power minus n equals to 1 divide a to the power n. So this one we can write, let 2 to the power x equals to a. Okay, so we can write a plus 2a equals to 3. So make LCM a, so a square plus 2 equals to 3. Now we can write a square plus 2 equals to 3a. So a square minus 3a plus 2 equals to 0. Okay, so a square minus 2a minus a plus 2 equals to 0, because 2 times 1 is a 2, and minus 2 minus 1, it will be minus 3. So we can take common a, so a minus 2, and minus 1 common, a minus 2 equals to 0. Now we can write a minus 2 times a minus 1 equals to 0. So either a minus 2 equals to 0, it means a equals to 2, it means a means what? 2 to the power x. 2 to the power x equals to 2, it means base are same, so power will be equal, x equals to 1. Or here is a minus 1, a minus 1 equals to 0, a equals to 1, 2 to the power x equals to 1. Why 2 to the power x? Because a equals to 2 to the power x. Now here is 2 to the power x equals to 1. This one we can write what? 2 to the power x equals to 1 means we can write 2 to the power 0. So x equals to 0, because base are same. So we can say answer zero and 1. Okay, because here we already get x equals to 0, and here is x equals to 1. So two answer, which is 0 and 1. So this video I will not continue anymore. We are trying to solve 4 math based on simplify exponent, which is very important for examination. So please subscribe my channel if you think this channel will help you, and please share with your friends. Thank you.